Welcome to this technical guide on the TM21. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your TM21 is overheating during use, you're likely facing a common issue that can lead to further damage if not addressed promptly. Overheating can cause internal components to wear out faster, leading to more serious malfunctions down the line. It's crucial to tackle this problem head-on to ensure your device remains functional and efficient. For this repair, you will need a small Phillips screwdriver, a plastic opening tool, a replacement temperature sensor, and some thermal paste. Now, let's get started on the repair. First, ensure the TM21 is turned off and unplugged. Using the plastic opening tool, carefully pry open the back panel of the device. Be gentle to avoid damaging the clips that hold it in place. Once the back panel is removed, locate the faulty temperature sensor. This component is usually situated near the cooling fan. If you're unsure, refer to your device's manual for its exact location. After you've identified the sensor, gently disconnect the cables attached to it. Be cautious, as these cables can be delicate. Next, unscrew the screws holding the temperature sensor in place. Make sure to remember the type of screws and their positions, as this will help when reassembling the device. Apply a moderate amount of force, but don't overdo it, as you might strip the screws. Once the screws are removed, carefully extract the old temperature sensor from its housing. Ensure no debris falls into the device while doing this. Now, take your new replacement sensor and place it into the same slot, ensuring it fits snugly. Reconnect the cables, making sure they are securely attached. Before reassembling the back panel, it's a good idea to apply some thermal paste to the area around the sensor to ensure optimal heat conduction. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Once everything is in place, carefully replace the back panel, making sure all clips are aligned and secure. Finally, power on your TM21 to check if the overheating issue has been resolved. If it runs smoothly without overheating, congratulations on a successful repair. To prevent this issue from happening again, it's advisable to keep your TM21 clean and free from dust. Regularly check for any obstructions around the cooling vents and ensure the device is used in well-ventilated areas. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.